everybody, and good afternoon to GoldenHome Cabinetry. I'm Colby, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to put doors on a wall 30-12-24. So if you watched my last video, you guys will see that I've assembled the cabinet already. We're going to put pale pine wall 30-12 doors on here. The reason why there's only 30-12 because it's 30 inches long by 12 high, 24 deep. So I've already cut the box open, so you guys are gonna have to cut that. The trusty tools are your drill and your screwdriver. So let's get the box open and get the doors out. And when you open the box for your cabinet, you're gonna get two sets of hinges. You're gonna want to open them up. Alright, so you're gonna get your two hinges, your hinge hole covers, which I will show you how to put those on, and your bag of screws. You're going to open the screws up, and a little self-explanatory, put the circle with circle. So it sits in like so. So on with the other one. Take your drill and your screws, and you drill in here. Just takes two for these sides. Alright, we'll do the same to the next box, to the next door. Alright, so now that we got your hinges connected to your doors, we need to get the doors connected to the box. So there's two ways of doing this. You can either have the box sitting as it is and put your doors up like so, or when you have a box like this, turn it on its side, and the hinge holes line right up. So let's see if you can see hinge holes line right up. Let's get those screwed into place. Alright, then we'll close the door. Turn the cap over to the other side. Do the same thing. And that, my friends, is how you get doors on a cabinet. Stay tuned for the next video on how to adjust them. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.